3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you're facing issues where Indiana Jones and the Great Circle crashes at launch or it shuts down before shaders compile, there are several steps you can take to resolve the problem. Start by ensuring that your graphics card drivers are up to date. For AMD users, open the AMD Adrenalin software, go to the Driver and Software section, and select Check for Updates to download and install the latest version. For NVIDIA users, perform the same steps using the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app. Once updated, reboot your computer to apply the changes. Next, open your Steam library, right-click on Indiana Jones and the Great Circle and select Properties. Navigate to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files to check for and fix any corrupted or missing files. Afterward, you can try launching the game in safe mode. To do this, go back to the Properties window, select the General tab, and set the launch option to safe mode or ask when starting game. When launching the game, choose safe mode to bypass potential issues. These steps should help resolve the crashing or launch problems.